How to download CapCut on a PC or laptop step by step for free. Welcome to my channel How to Tutorial Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily download and install CapCut on your Windows PC or laptop for free. You can now download CapCut for Windows computers. Your PC does not need an Android emulator to run it. CapCut is a fantastic video editing app that will take your creativity to new heights. Let's jump right in. Our first step is to install CapCut on our computer. Let's start by going down to Windows Start button. Select the Start button and then click on Microsoft Store. After the Microsoft Store finishes loading, navigate to the top of the page where you'll find a search bar labeled Search Apps, Games, Movies, and more. In this search bar, simply type CapCut and proceed to search for it. Once you type CapCut, you should see the search results. Look for it on the list, which should be CapCut. Select that item, and you will be taken to the CapCut app page. From there, you can proceed to select the Install button to initiate the installation process. Please note that CapCut is a relatively small app, with a size of only 486 megabytes, so it won't take up much storage space. Once the download is complete, it will automatically begin the installation process. You'll need to wait until it displays the installed status. Once you see that notification, you can navigate to your desktop and run CapCut to start using the application. Before launching CapCut, a quick system test will run to ensure your computer's ability to run the application smoothly. Once complete, select Confirm to proceed. After that, CapCut will open up, allowing you to begin creating and editing videos using the app on your Windows PC or laptop. That's the process for downloading and installing CapCut on a Windows PC or laptop. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content just like this.